Hello everyone, hope you're all having a good week. Today I am continuing with this sketchbook, 100 Days of Drawing by Jennifer Orkin Lewis. I completed 5 prompts in this book about 6 months ago and really enjoyed doing them. So today I'm going to be completing another 5 pages. This book is a guided sketchbook with different subjects and suggestions on how to approach them. So it's a bit different from the art prompt book 365 Days of Art that I've been working my way through, as it gives you a few pages to complete the same idea but suggests that you think of different ways to complete them. The first prompt I'm going to do today is Doodling Gel Pen. So the first idea is to fill the frame with gold and white gel pens of things that pop into your head. The other ideas suggested are continue this mandala, build up this town with more houses, and draw 4 things that are precious to you in white and gold. So there's lots of different ways of approaching the idea, and this is the same for every prompt in the book. So I'm going to start with the first one, which is filling in the frame. We've got a few ideas here of what we could put in the frame. So things like put in things that pop in your head, add white detail for pop, white outline with gold centres. The filled in spaces can be loosely drawn. Just a few ideas there to get the frame going. I'm using a gold zebra doodlers glitter pen, Pilot Shoes white gel pen as well. I'm just going to start drawing and see what happens. Not really have too much of a plan on this one. If you're new here, welcome to my channel Wanderer Art. I'm rediscovering my creative side by drawing and painting regularly again. And I have been working through an art prompt book, which is really helping me. I've done sketchbook pages and one-off craft pieces as well, just to get a bit creative. And if that is something that you're interested in seeing, please subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. I'm just drawing whatever comes into my head really. I just think I'm going to fill this up with flowers, maybe a couple of drops of rain. I might try and put the sun in as well. Just a nature themed one. Let me know what ideas you would have had for this page. I've got a lot of flowers in at the front, little bits of weather like the wind, rain, the sunshine. I've got a few bees in there too, which I quite like. I had a bit of a problem with the gold pen towards the end. Some of these you can't really see because there wasn't much gold coming out of it, unfortunately. I really like these flowers down here. I think they're my favourites, and I like the rain too. The next page is Explore Shapes of Leaves. We've got an example of some of the work there. On all of these pages, I'm just going to do the first one, the easiest one, just to get into it, and then probably in later videos I'll look at trying the different examples. We'll use these ideas to help me complete the prompt. Curvy edges, could do a sharp edge, play with different patterns. Yeah, just simple lines. I think this page here is going to be perfect with some of those NEOCOLOR 2, the CARAN NEOCOLOR 2. So I'm going to get those, do some backgrounds, leave a couple of them to do patterns with, and fill in with probably fine liner, maybe coloured pencils on top as well once they're dried. Start off with the light and then blend it into the dark. A bit of water on a paintbrush. And then you just sort of blend it in like this. It dries very quickly. Okay, so now this is dried. We have got a bit of pickup on the paper, unfortunately. But that's fine because I'm going to experiment with a few of the bits that they mention on this page. So things like playing with patterns. I'm going to do some outlines as well. Add a bit with some colouring pencils. I'm just going to use some Prismacolors on this. And Tombow soft tip brush pen. I think I might just use these bits that come off as part of the pattern here. Not all of them, but just circle them. That's that page done. Got a few patterns on some of the leaves. I think my favourite actually is probably these two with the black outlines. Yeah, I really enjoyed that one. On to the next one, which is drawing faces on objects. A few different ideas here. Things like a sleepy strawberry. Do two faces in one. The prompt is use black pen to draw faces and add detail to these objects. Maybe outline some of these as well. I'm just going to draw really simple faces. I think the top three are my favourite. So the next prompt is embellish butterfly wings. And some ideas, so use different line widths, play with the patterns, and add flowers to create a garden. So draw butterflies in black pen on this washy background. I'll use the same Tombow brush pen again. Just going to try and work out where the butterflies are.
maybe just do the dots in the middle as well, so just try and make it symmetrical. That's that page finished. It's added a few little flowers and tiny little flies around the place to bring it together. I think I like these two as my favourite on this page. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, and the last prompt is try hand lettering. So the first idea then is doodle on these letters, add patterns and embellishments, or turn them into animals. My thought for this one is to use the letters, so V, maybe turn that into a violin, so think of objects that they could be. Loads of different ones on here. Feather, jester, the months of the year, nose, a tree. Please let me know what you think of this book so far. Is there anything that you would have done differently? I'd love to hear your comments. Please let me know if you like this video by giving it a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.